Odd Bunch Review. Save 50% on your groceries. So Odd Bunch is a subscription-based grocery service that focuses on reducing food waste by delivering odd or imperfect produce and pantry items at discounted prices. So instead of letting the misshapen fruits, vegetables, or surplus goods go to waste, Odd Bunch packages them into weekly or bi-weekly boxes delivered to your door. So for the pros, you can save up to 50% on groceries compared to supermarket prices. It helps fight food waste by using imperfect produce. It can also be convenient for home delivery with flexible subscription options. And they have a seasonal variety in boxes which keeps meals interesting. The cons though, the produce quality can be inconsistent depending on the availability. And not all grocery categories are covered, mainly fruits and veggies. They also have a limited delivery areas which may not be available elsewhere, and it lacks the full customization in some plans. So overall, Odd Bunch is a great option if you want to save money on groceries while supporting the food waste reduction.